Look at my life, you'll see. Look at my life, yeah. Look at my life, you'll see. God's hands all around me. Yeah, max. Just on a deal for the max. Count it up, need the exact. Only be speaking the facts.
All right, y'all. Today's Saturday, March 15th. The boys are having the senior football today. It is currently, where's the break? After you see. It's currently 6:59, about to be 7 in the morning. And I gotta be at Alex's house by 7:30. We want to get the seafood early in the morning. So, yeah. So I'm about to head out. I just want to show y'all a quick little fit. Nothing major. Little T. Jorts, P6000s. We going this and there. This more better. Fitted. Chrome on the neck. Glasses. Regular frames. So I'll catch y'all when we at Anatol's. All right, peace. We out. Been purging them things, man.
You got that water leaking out of that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna say that's platinum. It's that flavor. Six. Oh yeah. Hey, you got that that letter. Okay. Oh yeah. Shrimp, our potato, sausage, corn. Buffalo, man, are you good? You good, brother? You good, man? You good? Yips. You brought this tea? The crab boy? Yeah. Okay, I got one. Oh, okay. Oh, yes. We're putting them onions and them lemons in there, man. You got something? You pull the trash can right here? Yeah, the blanket, I got you. Now first, annual boy seafood boiling the spring breaks, you feel me? Yeah. We out here. All right. Mrs. I thought as you wait at the truck. No, these people might tip. How far did you pay them? T. I got my whoop. I think they now. It's a package right here, man. Sorry. Been waiting for this package, man. Oh, put a box in the box. Dang.
You see what that is? We about to get professional, boys. Yes, sir.
So pop it up.
Start popping up, bro.
I ain't got my bike. We don't got the SLR. So all right, so all right. I mean,
We're gonna get them. We're gonna burn this week.
that's a mess. We almost starting now.
Oh man, bro.
We go professional in it, y'all.
Oh,
We up next. Yes, sir. Be like DJ Screw. Oh my God.
man.
We gonna have to learn how to work this bitch for sure. Oh my goodness.
Ain't that little YouTube gonna do?
So all of my